Welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Captain. In this video I'm going to tell you about Instagram new update in which Instagram added a new feature of finding nearby people in your location. So let's start the video. First you have to open Play Store or App Store in your mobile and here check Instagram is updated or not. If it is not updated then update the Instagram first. After updating the Instagram, open it. And now you have to go to the search bar icon in the bottom. Here search the area where you are living. For example, I am searching F8 because I am living here. After searching, tap on that place option. Now here you can see my exact location is available. Tap on that exact location and slide down this screen. After sliding down you can see there are a lot of accounts near you. You can simply follow them or you can also zoom in or out this map and check other accounts near you. This update only shows accounts which are public. Private accounts remain hidden and you can't see private accounts here in the location nearby. So by this way you can easily check nearby accounts in Instagram. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Captain and I will see you in the next one.